Hi folks, Sue here from SMB Jewelry Designs. Just wanted to share a quick video with you about how I go about making different pieces of jewelry. Today I'm going to make a ring and it's going to be peridot. So I just wanted to share with you how I do it. This is not going to be a tutorial. I'm just going to upload some quick videos to show the process that I use and to give you a feel for how I do things. So here we have two pieces of wire that I will be using for the ring band and for the ring design. I have a ring mandrel. There's some 26 gauge wire. This is 20 gauge, by the way. I have two small, I believe they are 4mm peridot beads. I have some needle nose pliers, some bent nose pliers, and some clippers. I might also use some nylon pliers to straighten the wire. So I wanted to show you the tools, and I will be right back with the first steps of the process. Okay, I wanted to jump on really quickly and show you the wrap that I'm using that's going to make up the ring band. I'm going around the bottom 3 times, around the top 3 times, and then around both sections 3 times, then starting back at the bottom again. I'll do that for as long as the ring band needs to be. I showed you earlier the measurements and the fact that we have to leave some room for the 2 beads that we're using. So I'll continue doing this weave until I get that as long as I need it to be, and then I'll come back to you guys. Okay, here's the finished ring. This is the first time I've tried this design. Whoops. And I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I started off trying to make it a 6.5, and it ended up turning into a 7, which is okay. So that's what it looks like. Alright, hope you liked this little insight into how I make some of my jewelry. This was a really simple wire ring design with some peridot. Click subscribe, like this video if you want to see more little snippets of how I make my jewelry, and stay tuned for more. Thanks. Have a good night or day wherever you are. Bye.